Welcome to Chaco International. I am Nilamata Jana speaking. This is related to civil service last presentation. We are not interested. This is the last presentation from Chaco International Bhubaneswar. After that, 2022 civil service will be conducted from Jaspur Road, Odisha. That's why without zero visibility, we continue the presentation, and this is the last presentation of civil service 2021. Here it is the mixture of tribes, Nobel Prize, some awards, and some environmental questions. Deliberately avoided the questions from current affairs because so much vast subject, time is very limited, so nobody can be interested to go through it. It was deliberately avoided. So, what audio? Audio is for the COP. COP means Conference of Parties, conducted by UNFCCC to reduce the global climate below 1.5, 2 degree or below 1.5 from industrial level. COP 25 supposed to held in Chile, but due to some agitation it was shifted to Madrid, and it was conducted on 25th to 2nd December 19 to 13 December 19. Ultimate result failed. Why failed? Some disagreement among the emitting parties to control the emission and not cooperation from American USA, with the largest per capita emitter of the CO2 gases, even greenhouse gases. But there is some opinion China, India, European Union and US contributed around 60% of global carbon dioxide emission from fossil-based combustion in 2017. Many argue that only if these four regions are able to meet their Paris targets, the world will be much better place to live. However, the equation itself is not that simple. Per capita emission contribution in the USA is 9 times higher than that of India. A lot have been placed and committed. What needs to be seen is how large emitters react on ground to achieve this target. India has pledged to reduce its carbon emission by 35% over 2005 levels till 2030. China has pledged to reduce carbon emission by 60 to 65% over 2005 level till 2030. Through increased and CO2 emission can be reduced by increased afforestation. That is, the forest can absorb those greenhouse gases. European Union has pledged to reduce its carbon emission by 40% over 1990 levels till 2030. However, certain countries such as Germany and Poland are expected to meet their 2020 target. It barely needs any guesswork to declare the outcomes. COP 25 by and large have been below expectation. There has been no consensus on carbon market, no new finance mechanism. And barely any movement of additional finance is required for the loss and damage program. This being said, a strong signal has been sent to the global community that a lot needs to be achieved in the next COP meeting. Why the next COP meeting will be held? Conference Party Meeting 26 will be held in Glasgow, UK from October 31st this year, 2021, October 31st to November 12th. Everybody think it will solve the problem. But how can you solve the problem? Unless and until all the major emitter cooperate, it will not solve the problem. If you like, put the bell icon. Thank you. This is the last presenter for Civil Service Preliminary from Bhubaneswar Chakwa International. After that, all Civil Service Preliminary exams of 2022 conduct was explored. Thank you.